Plant some plants. Oh! Yeah, for real.
I think I don't have. Oh yeah, so there's way more krypton here to all my wood chips. Both. Get the pick for lucianum and then get the flat part for digum.
There you go. Usually you put like lasagna, like someone calls it, of like dead earth and so like dead leaves and then live leaves and then moist soil, but she's got some good soil here, so I'll just keep giving her that.
You know why I get good soil? Cause we stay kalai papa hitting alu right here.
Hanu neao, ya ia oi kau. Careful.
Some palikana, so nobody come and trample on your walking. Okay, kandu neo.
I think a little deeper need to go.
Okay, kandu neo. Making some graphic on Hana's Alaya.
Is it a surprise?
Yeah.
Oh, she's gonna love it. Yeah, cute.
Side saddle.
Side saddle.
Go. There you go, nice. Kenny is perfect. The knots are hard. Wish. Please.
Adventures of Noah.
It's
Part
back.
2.
Car adventures. Why can't I freaking get this thing on? What Moing Moing puts her roommates through this. Yeah. This is what it takes.
So, it's April Fool's. I got these fake Botox lips.
We're gonna prank Chris.
We're gonna prank Chris. How do I know where to put it though? And like hold my breath.
Up higher.
Oh.
Oh, and then you need wet sponge. Can you breathe through your nose? It's pretty wet. Let's give it one more. Stop it. Okay, you wanna try?
So this is how it's going. We forgot a step, which is cutting it out, so there's all this extra.
It's really hard to clean up.
So we're just gonna push it down and try to put makeup on it. I don't know if the makeup will help at all. If you roll it up,
Oh,
and then it outlines it. This is hard. Oh my god! Oh my god, it looks so blotchy.
We're no makeup artists over here, okay?
I need to alter the story and just say I got stung by a bee or like kicked in the face. Oh my god.
But, like, you can, like...
This is crazy. It kind of looks like it.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Terrifying. The complete look?
Okay. What do I say? Like, I just wanted to get like a little lip flip.
I wanted a small lip flip, but the lady, she didn't speak English.
So this is the look. I ended up FaceTiming him because this shit looks so bad in person. I don't think anyone will believe it. Let's see. I also FaceTimed my best friend Cass, and she did not believe me for one fucking second because I hate needles, and she just saw right through me. So this is me in 4K. What did you think about the prank?
Nasty.
Why do they look more real on this camera than on my phone? What?
Very.
He's actually disgusted with me. Oh my god, this is so good. Oh my god. Chris had to leave the room because he was disgusted. What?
It looks nasty.
This is how your man should look at you. And a little bit.
Yeah. Sorry, so. Ew. Noah.
Oh my god. Toilet for all. Toilet seat cover. And Chris was busy today. He made what, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Pipo.
Or 2 pipo and 3 alaia.
This one's for Henry's son.
Really? Cute. Oh, pipo. She's already blooming. I'm gonna put it on the left ear. Gorgeous.
Oh.
You make me feel like dancing!
We just done surfing and now we're going to go sauna. Life is good. And now we're gonna go make some stuff.
Kind stuff.
You're not supposed to rush the process. You're supposed to let me
Why don't you give us
manifest and rise naturally.
and if it doesn't, oh, we just gotta scoot it forward.
So who wants to volunteer moving them?
Me.
Yeah. It's pretty easy to lift. Tell us when it's good to come down. I can't see.
Good.
So when you're
Yeah, like when you're really at 3 holes. Yeah.
Courtney? Hi. Hi.
Schedule and have some polio times. And do I have plans?
Okay.
Hold it.
We're trying to make a couple lamps.
Hold.
The glue is drying very fast, so we're trying to use a completely unnecessary amount of rubber.
This is very. Frickin' burger thing is cherry cousins.
Flocks don't last in the sky. They exist only if their backbones vanish. Their bones, a question posed and answered in the brief space their bodies held. I've been trying hard to stop thinking as an individual and think more of us all as a collective. Stop thinking of all you need to do and to get better at, to get stronger, to get thinner, to get smarter. Look into the root of your problems and solutions. You always want to be someone else, but what if we thought instead of how we are all better in our communities and for one another?
She was on 1080p this whole time. Now she just upgraded to 4K. If you guys was wondering, technician camera nerds out there.
It's my IT guy.
She harvesting.
Oh, ho'io. It's a type of fern that makes yummy salad.
Your Maya's harvest fresh. Oh yes,
Yeah.
do it.
Yeah.
She's a dog with a blog.
There he is.
Hey, hi.
Now I got it.
Aloha no, mahalo for watching through all the way to the end. If you made it here, it means so much. I've been just experimenting with this and I really appreciate everybody telling me what's good, hopefully slowly improving and learning a lot through this process for sure. This week was really fun. We did so much. Looking back, I'm like, wow, we really did all that? It was just Merry Monarch season. Just watching the storytelling that is able to be conveyed through hula, realizing that the society that was in place when these dances were created, the community that allows these dances to continue being created and perpetuated, benefit, educate, and remind people of all ages and truly from any place in the world the true history and stories of Hawaii and Kanaka. I'm working on starting to train my brain to recognize positive circumstances, patterns, good luck, and signs from the universe instead of always focusing on the bad, which is so easy to get sucked in that mind warp. But just remembering that everything is happening for a reason, even though it sounds cheesy, and really believing that, because there's so much good happening all around the world and so many positive things happening for you that sometimes it's easy to miss. But I'm trying to train my brain to focus more on those instead of focusing on the little inconveniences or little issues that I have. I'm just an ant in this world. I have enjoyed these. I want to start focusing a little bit more on voyaging, especially when the rain chills out. Especially preparing the va'a has
taught us so much. We're learning how to fiberglass, how to sand, how to build, do carpentry. So it's a lot of exciting things, and it's teaching us life lessons as well. Mostly how to slow down and do things correctly the first time to save a lot of time on the back end. And I've said before, but I think that's a life lesson that definitely can be taken everywhere. I hope you guys enjoy. If you have any recommendations, notes, things that you'd like to see, I just would love to perpetuate and foster a community to create just to create and not feel any way about it. Have these days documented because they just pass by sometimes, almost unnoticed and definitely underappreciated. It's fun to look back and appreciate all these times. Mahalo nui. Thanks again for watching to the end. I hope you have such a blessed week, and I'll see you next time.